Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my resin koi ponds. I got an 18-inch clay saucer and I filled it with river rocks and then added resin and let it dry overnight. Now I'm going to be pouring a second layer of resin on top of that and just tilt it around and hit it with the heat torch to pop all of the bubbles. Now I'm just going to add this faux flower over here because I think it looks cute. And after I waited 10 minutes, I hit it again with the heat torch to get any remaining bubbles out. Now for the fun part, I went and got a bunch of acrylic paint and I'm going to go ahead and start painting 3 koi fish on top of the dried resin. I went ahead and googled koi fish just to get some photo references to see what different colors there are in them and how the spots are all just random. So you can go ahead and do your own thing and make them look however you want. Then I'm going to go and mix up another batch of the Artworks resin and I'm just going to pour it into the koi pond and again tilt it all around and hit it with the heat torch. After that last layer, I went ahead and did another layer of acrylic paint on the fish to try to get like the top layer of their top fin and all the details in. I didn't videotape that, but I went ahead and did that. So now this is going to be another layer of resin that is going on top. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing, just tilt it around and hit it with the heat torch until all the bubbles are gone. And this should be it. This should be the final layer. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video tutorial on how to make a 3D koi pond out of a ceramic clay saucer, some river rocks, some acrylic paint, some faux flowers, and some Artworks resin.